Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Wizz Air flight date, step by step. If your travel plans have changed, and you need to move your flight to another date, this guide will help you understand the complete process. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser. Search for the official Wizz Air website and open the homepage. At the top of the page, click on the Login button. Enter your email address and password. Then sign in to your Wizz Air account. After logging in, go to the Check-in and Booking section. Here you will find all your current and upcoming flight reservations. Select the flight booking where you want to change the travel date. Click on the Show Details to open the flight details. On the Booking Details page, look for the option called Flight Change/Cancel. Click on it. Now select Flight Change. This option allows you to modify your current travel date and flight details. Now, choose the new date you want to travel. A calendar will appear on your screen. Select your preferred departure date. Wizz Air will show you the available flights for that day. Choose the new flight option that works best for you. After selecting the new flight date, Wizz Air will show the updated price details. You may need to pay a flight change fee. Any difference in ticket price between your original flight and the new flight. Review all charges carefully before continuing. Once you have checked all the details, continue to the payment section if required. Complete the payment using your preferred payment method. After successful confirmation, your flight date will be updated. After changing your flight date, Wizz Air will send a confirmation email. Open the email and check. New travel date, departure time, flight details, passenger information. Keep this confirmation for your future travel. Important tips before changing your flight date. Before making any changes, remember these points. Flight date changes depend on availability. Changing your flight closer to departure may cost more. Check the new flight details carefully before confirming. Make sure your new travel date fits your travel plans. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to change a Wizz Air flight date step by step. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful travel and online service tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.